Hey, it's John Hutchison here from conversionrateacademy.com. Now, would you like to find out how to increase your conversion rate by double-digit improvements? So in this video, you will learn what you must base your test on to get double-digit improvements, how to leverage third-party customer service endorsements for greater profits, and why what you say is more important than how you say it for boosting your conversions. So let me hand you over to one of our tech experts now who will tell you all about it.
Okay, so in today's lesson I want to talk to you about third-party endorsements that you can add to your website to build trust. So if you find out from doing your user research, gathering your visitor intelligence, that you've got issues with people not trusting the site, having things going through their mind like, will I have a bad experience if I need to return something? What happens if I need to ask a question? So when you get objections like that or concerns like that, then you can look to third-party endorsements to try and help overcome those. Now, this test here was done by Conversion IQ, and it was to basically add the Stellar service, which is a third-party endorsement for the Tackle Direct's customer service, right? So they added this badge site-wide in various different places, and the end result was a 77.7% improvement in conversion, which is astounding for a test like this because it's such a small change. Okay, so it shows you that when you hit the nail on the head with what your customers are crying out for, what your visitors are crying out for in terms of answering their questions, it really pays dividends, because these guys have joined the conversation that is going on in their visitors' heads. They've really sort of met them where they're at, okay, which is a big thing in direct response marketing. Always meet your prospect where they're at, okay? And for these guys, it was obviously that there was some trust issues and maybe some doubts around the level of service they're going to receive. So an astounding result of 77% improvement from adding the Stellar service. Excellent. But having said that, they actually ran a few variations, and this text next to the button, high quality customer service, was the winning variation. They tried different wording. Some of them failed to reach significance. There was a close runner-up, which was a variation on this theme. So it's not just adding the badge itself, it's what it says, it's the message that goes with it that really makes a difference. So you can see it added here in the main columns site-wide, but also they've added at that really crucial point, which is when people are really making their decision, which is when it's been added to the cart. And then also you can see when they add it to the checkout pages as well, because people need that reassurance all the way through the funnel. Okay, so it's on every page through the checkout funnel as well. So make sure when you're adding these things you strategically position them, because it can make the difference that makes the difference.
Well, that's the end of today's conversionrateacademy.com's optimization tips. I hope you loved it. Click the like button and also scroll to the bottom and leave us a comment so that we can continue the conversation there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.